Okay, devlog version 2 or number 2 or number 2 version 2 because I made an early version but it did not work as intended. These stairs have some kind of problem. I'll be fixing them later. Anyway, I made the proper changes to the game. Things that I didn't mention in the earlier video that I made the weapon not colliding with the or not clipping with the wall. So yeah, I did not make the clamping, and that's a good way to start my tutorial version. Steps are hold on a second. I need to change something and some settings, and that's a good way to teach the people who want to start. First of all, I'm using Builder to make what you are seeing right now. You will get you. So anyway, there's an easier way to do this. To go from the player itself. Right now, there is the step offset of the player, which make him able to move on the certain kind of steps, not any steps. It's being set to some number. I want to change it. Step offset. Here it is. And let's make it something like that. Good one. And let's make the slope limit about 16. And let's make 16 widths. Minimum move distance. Actually, everything is in the correct place. I use Propeller to build this kind of little beautiful shape. It's not the best shape you will ever see, but it's the shape I made in 5 seconds, and in everything in this scene. First of all, the idea of the game is adding a wall running. Now, wall running can be added in a lot of ways, but I will be adding it in my way, and I hope it works. Just hope it. Is the way simply is to make the layer overlap to make a collider that overlaps with a certain object, and if the position of the player minus the position of this object equals to a certain number, he will be moving in a certain direction and a certain rotation. So he will be making the rotation you see in most of the games. They add or they add a like this effect or this effect. I added a kind of distortion effect to the scene, which which actually looks badass for me. I love it very much. Something that I want to change right now, really quickly, is the stairs. I actually don't love the stairs with this grids not. I'm not really love this. I want to make a kind of gray stairs with no smoothness and metallic. And actually it's looking pretty decent now. And I need to turn off gizmos. Yeah, let's turn off. So anyway, so the idea of warning is as I mentioned, the way I mentioned, and it takes the direction of the the object. I will be sticking to the x direction because I stuck with it, and I'll make a certain layers to certain walls that we will able to wall running on. So it will be like a mark that this wall is a wall running able wall. Wall running wall. Again, do this. Anyway, I forgot to make it to add the clamping. So x rotation gonna be equal to mass function that clamp. Clamp is a function that pose this certain object between two numbers, and in these numbers cannot be uh, you cannot go further than the maximum number or less than the minimum number. It's a good way to make a uh, I don't know what's going on. It's a good way to make a an ammo. So anyway, the player, whatever the player done, the ammo will be sticking to 13 to from 0 to 13, and the other shit like rotating. Now I cannot rotate more than 90 degrees up and 90 degrees down, and the step offset is still not working. Come on. Oh, I decreased that. I need to increase it. How about this number? Yep. I need to find the right number because it's 7 I. Oh, I forgot to do other things. Let's stop the scene for a moment. Player cam, I made it to see specific layers. Wall, and I need every time I do this to add every time I add a new layer to make the player cam see this kind of new layer. Back again to my player, let's change the offset to whatever this. Okay, let's say it's about 1 second. Let's make it about 0.8. Okay, it's working. The game is lagging, yeah, because of Visual Studio on the Chromebook and this cursed Microsoft Game Center thing. Anyway, the warning is working perfectly. This is a semi-working gravity system, but it's not the best. It's not even good for me. I'll be changing it later. And about the camera and its lagging, I will be fixing it. It will be easy actually. About jumping and other things, it won't take a lot actually. I'll be needing to know if the player is moving in the x-axis, so I make the animation for running. I actually made animation for running, and I'm gonna be making animation for sprinting, and a code for sprinting, and a code for running, and a code for sticking to the walls. And that's by using collider.overlap. And for each 1 second, it's gonna be a lot, but it won't. But at least it's gonna be worth it. In the end, I'll be making shooting and shooting effects. And in the last end, I'll be making UI, and in the end of the end of the end, I'll be making new weapon. Yeah, this weapon is shit. I'll be making the new weapon that I'll be using in the full release of this game, which will be at least this year. I don't know. We'll be making demo. I'm working with someone who actually designed this weapon. He is an image or whatever. Anyway, fuck my life.